Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your last love bite for the month. Let's see what message there is here for you today. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the message they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's start your reading. And welcome back all my subscribers, welcome in newbies. If you enjoy the reading, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. And yes, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first few cards I have on the table right now, Pisces, is the Four of Swords, Page of Cups, Ten of Swords, the Chariot, Strength, and the Three of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles, and the horrid card of the Heartbreak, bottom of my deck. So it's taking a lot of courage here to deal with the situation. I do see no apology has come in yet. Nobody has come forward to offer a sorry or a love offer. There's a lot of restless energy, feeling things have ended. Yeah, it's a lack of investment by your person, I think, and things are stagnated. What else can I say? But it's taking a lot of, and whoever, I think Pisces, this is you. You are being very strong through this, even through whatever heartbreak that you're going through right now. Let's take some dialogue message cards and see really what's going on here. Pisces and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other. Pisces and their person. Okay. And let's take a couple more from here. Pisces and their person. Let's take a couple more from here. Pisces and their person. Thank you. All right, Pisces, let's start our reading. It seems a little difficult, but don't worry. I'm sure you can cope through anything. There's a lot of strength on your side. The silence is so unbearable between us. I wonder if you're punishing me because of the 3D challenges, or did I push you away? Due to believing that the obstacles in our lives were too great to overcome, I surrender and trust in God and divine timing. If it's meant to be, it will be. Isn't that a show of complete surrender, strength? Beautiful, beautiful. Going through all that and still saying, I'm going to believe in divine timing and support. All right, let's see. Second card. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, and it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. So maybe the other person just took it as a sexual kind of a relationship and never, went beyond that. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. Damn. Your inconsistent behavior has caused my family to have concerns and trust issues regarding you. This has now created another barrier for us to navigate and overcome. You're all I have ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you, day and night. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. I need some time to collect my thoughts. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. I really need your warmth and affection. Oops, yes, this does sound like a little heartbreaking kind of a situation here. And no communication to top it all. Let's see what's going on. Let me just take a angel blessing card first to see how my angels can help with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or message for Pisces. Stress management, Pisces. Stress management. And I see lots of it here. There's a lot of restless energy because somebody hasn't come forth with any apology. And now feeling that, it's over. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. There's the Four of Swords here. Yes, feeling, the end. It's the end. No, the other person's not making a move at all. There's no communication. There's heartbreak. There's stress. There's restlessness. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Page of Cups in reverse. Page of Cups in reverse. Somebody is hoping the worst will soon be over, but hoping for justice, but they haven't heard anything yet. There's been no apology, there's been no communication, there's been no movement as such to make them feel that things can start moving again in a good fashion, or the flow of energy can come back. That's the reason somebody is feeling very defeated here with the Ten of Swords energy. But they're still watching, they're still waiting, they're still trying to find out, they're still trying to keep a watch as to where is this person, what are they up to, why haven't they yet called, and that's leading to a lot of stress. Chariot in reverse. Chariot in reverse. Yes, this no action is not making somebody very happy. They feel their partner's just not stepping up their game. They're still, ungrounded. They're still not coming in correct, offering, a stability, long-term potential, not taking any action at all. In fact, they're behaving like the King of Pentacles in reverse. And that's not making, I think, the feminine very happy. But they are still holding themselves strong. And let's see. What's the Strength card, Spirit? What's the Strength card? This masculine is still holding back, it seems. They do want the passion, they do want to return back for the passion, it seems, but all their sweet words never really amount to anything. They're all like words said which amount to nothing. That all promises seem to always be broken here. So what's this choice, Spirit? What's this choice? And the Strength card? Somebody does want to return, but they're still holding back on their emotion. They want to come back, they want their partner to, put down the barriers. They are still not coming in genuine here from what I see, Pisces. What's this Three of Wands in reverse? Yeah, they are still kind of in this kind of an energy, that wishy-washy energy, juggling kind of energy, not still giving a straight answer, maybe still wanting to come back for the passion, and maybe work with third parties, I don't know. What's this Three of Wands in reverse? Page of Cups. Page of Cups. They don't want to make a decision either way, but they do know that this feminine is right now very upset with them, and this person is trying to play the magician. Maybe if they do come towards this feminine now with an apology, it's again going to be a fake apology, only because they, I think, want to be with them, they have passion for them, and they know that the feminine is holding back. I still don't see a genuine apology coming back for this feminine. They are still trying to create illusions because they themselves don't know what decision to make, or they don't want to make a decision. They are still indecisive about what they want. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they haven't invested and they are not investing. Yes, this person is still a player. Pisces, be very mindful. They don't want to invest into a connection. They're not interested in a long-term harvest. They still are coming in only for passion. Ask them about stability. They probably look the other way. They're not interested in a stable new beginning. They're just coming in for passion. So, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, there is no love. I mean, if there is love, they don't even want to show it, because then they have to offer a commitment, and they know it's their fault. They know it's their fault that this love is now, kind of getting out of this equation. They know it very well that the tower is kind of falling all around this connection, but still very, very stagnant. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. They somehow want to still see what else is out there, even though they feel a very strong connection. They feel a very strong bond with the feminine here. I mean, both of you no, this is a spiritual connection. This is a soulmate connection. But the action is not being taken. No work. They're not fighting for this connection, because right now they probably want to see what else is out there. They don't want to put in work. They really don't want to put in work right now. I think they feel it's too early. Maybe they want to save their partner for later. I don't know. But whatever said and done, there is a lot of heartbreak here because of their non-action. Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. Oh my God. Three of Swords is clarified by the Three of Swords. I think the message that I'm getting here, Pisces, please take back control of your own life right now, because dealing with the person who's this immature is only going to lead to heartbreak. So one more, Spirit, for the Three of Swords for Pisces. Yes, even if this person comes forward with a message or something, they're only coming in to emotionally manipulate you again. This person never shows their true colors, their true emotion. They have a cup of love in one hand and then they'll have something solid in the other. You really don't know what you're going to get from them, right? So this is again page energy. If they come in with pretending to be, this King of Cups, but from what I feel, Pisces, take care of yourself, take care of your stress. This is still a quite imbalanced, this connection. Spirit is urging you to take back power, take back control of your own life. Don't let anyone mess around with you and hurt you. Yes, this is a non-action person. Page of Pentacles in reverse again. No point sitting around. Again, see, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. This is a stagnant kind of a very small energy, low vibrational. So Spirit is urging you, get out of your head, stop overthinking it, try and release yourself from this heartbreak, pain and suffering and the stress that you've put yourself in. Right now, this person is not ready for a connection. I'm sorry, this is not the nicest of... But it's the truth of what I see. I could be wrong, Pisces. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.